How to mirror camera on Google Meet. So if you want to mirror camera on your Google Meet, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your browser at first. And if you go with your Google Meet or on your meeting, something like that, then you won't have an option to mirror your camera on the application or on the browser itself. So what you need to do is just go with your Chrome browser, and on your Chrome browser, you need to search for Chrome Extension Store. And here you will have Chrome Web Store. So you need to just go with it. And here you need to find an extension, which is Mirror Mode for Google Meet. And here you will have the mirror mode. So you need to just click on it and then go with add to Chrome and then click on add extension, and the extension will be added, right? Now you need to go with the top right where you'll have the extensions, and here you need to pin the extension. Once you pin the extension, you'll have the extension right here. So once you click on it, then you'll get all of these interfaces. So just close the ad right here, and here it will give you the steps, which is you need to install and open. After installing the extension, you need to click on the icon and then pin the extension that we've already done. Now you need to go with your Google Meet. So first you need to go with your new browser and then open up your Google Meet. Go with meet.google.com and start a new meeting. Once you've started the meeting, or once you're on the meeting, you need to click on the icon which is on the top right that you've just added. And after that, you will have an option like this, mirror mode. So you just need simply go and click on that, and it will turn on the mirror mode. Make sure that you've turned on the mirror mode right here, and you'll be able to use your mirror mode. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.